What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel, man. Now, if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content, and last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, as always, y'all know I don't like to do a lot of talking, man. Let's get right into the shoe. Y'all seen the thumbnail, y'all seen the title. Let's get it. Here we have a Nike SB. You see that colorful box, man. Y'all know this SB box. Tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike Olive Gray and Mantra Orange. These joints did release I think like October, maybe towards the end of October, but my local skate shop just got them. Shout out to Select if you're in Houston. They drop all the heat. They usually do a lot of first come first serve. They just drop it random on their Instagram, so I kind of rushed out over there and got it. But unfortunately, I was a little late, and this is a size 6.5. I did want these for personal. I still do want these for a personal pair, but this is all they had left. I literally got the last pair, so I'll take it, man. I'll probably try to trade these. The value and price are just around the same, so you know, we'll make it do what it do. Here we have the Nike SB Dunk Low Crush DC, man. Now, Crush DC is kind of new onto the skate shop scene. I believe they opened up in 2020, if I'm not mistaken, man. This dunk, like I said, dropped maybe like towards the end of October. And ever since I've seen the pictures, I've seen Crush post them. I've seen a lot of the SB Instagram accounts posting these, man. And I wanted them, man. It's a lot of neutral colors. And let's get into it. Let's get into it. So the shoe comes laced in a light gray tumble leather. It has that marbled Nike swoosh on it. Some really nice, like olive brownish suede. Some really nice buttery suede on there. Nike on the back in like a burnt orange UT looking color, man. Really nice. And the outsole is like that Nike recycled outsole that they've been using on like a lot of the Next Nature pieces and a lot of the like environmental friendly things that Nike has been doing. But it really matches the shoe on this one. It doesn't look misplaced like it does on some of the Next Nature dunks and blazers and things like that they've been doing. It really looks good on this, and it really matches the shoe. On the tongue, it has the Nike SB Crush DC. Crushed is actually a skate shop in DC, and it's black owned. On the inside of the tag, it has that Crush skate shop logo on it. Really nice touch with the green interior. Orange all the way around on the sock liner and things like that. Like I said, it has a nice gray tumble leather, really solid materials, really nice suede. The suede is probably the best suede I've seen on SB in a little while, outside of like that fruit pack. Coming to the right shoe, it has a couple of sets of extra laces. It does have brown extra laces and orange set of extra laces as well, man. Really nice touch. These are clean, man. Like I said earlier, it is a black on skate shop. They were founded in 2020, so they're fairly new on the scene, and they might be one of the quicker skate shops to get a collab from Nike SB. I could be wrong. I'm not really a super duper SB guy, but I haven't seen any skate shops open recently and just hurry up and grab a collab. So I mean, shout out Crush DC. They are black on, like I said, man. And it's really cool, bro. It's really cool for them to be doing their thing, man. They are really big in the community in DC. And it's super dope for them to go ahead and have that collab. Now, if you look at this tongue, it's kind of different from a lot of SBs. It has a big perforated square holes on them, so that really good ventilation for actual skateboard use. You know, a lot of the skaters always want the SBs. If you don't skate, you shouldn't wear SBs or skate your SBs. And I'm just a sneaker collector, man. I don't know about none of the other stuff. I do know how to skate. I can't do a bunch of tricks, but I definitely can skate. But I'm not a skater, so I'm not trying to infiltrate on you guys' community and anything like that. I just like clean shoes, man, and this is one of them, man. So if you got a size 11.5 or 12 out there, definitely shoot me a DM, man. Shoot me a message. Let's see if we can work out a deal, man, because I need these joints. Now, another detail that I really liked about this shoe is the insole, man. It has the crushed on the bottom, and it has like a brick wall with like a different graffiti on it. Super dope, man. I love like special packaging. I love good details and like different creative pieces on shoes. So this is a really dope piece. Even though you can't see the insole while you're wearing the shoe, it still looks good, man, and it's dope to have their branding on the insoles, and just for them to do something a little different. Now these joints did retail for 110 bucks plus tax, so I paid 120 for them. And resale isn't too bad on them. Resale is about like 160 to 200, so nothing too terrible. So Sneaker Summit is this week in Houston, so hopefully I can find a pair to trade this 6.5 for and try to get my 11.5, 12 in these joints. This is a pair that I really would wear, man. It's really, really nice colors, very neutral, and I really like that swoosh on there. That marbling on the swoosh looks really, really good. It's probably one of my favorite details. That, the speckle outsole, and then the custom insole with their branding on is probably my favorite details on the shoe. So definitely looking to add these to the collection, man. And if I do get my size, I definitely will be rocking these joints very soon, bro. Super dope fall shoe. But you can really get this off anytime. Really nice colors, really neutral colors, man. Super dope materials, man. They did a really good job on this shoe. Really good job. But overall, man, that just about wraps it up for this video, man. I just want to give you guys a quick unboxing, a quick view of one of my recent pickups. Hopefully I can swap it out for my size. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these, man. Did you guys pick up the crushed SB? I know they had a special box pair as well that they released locally, man. The box was pretty dope. But did you guys pick these up? Were you guys looking for these, or were they not on your radar at all, man? Let me know how you guys are feeling in the comment section down below, man. I think it's a really dope shoe. Definitely be rocking these if I get my size, man. But like I said, man, that just about wraps it up for this video, man. Got the crushed DC SB. Until next time on our next video, peace.